Hello, great to have you with us. Welcome to the distinctive Al Bayt Stadium with its tent-like structure. My name is Derek Ray, excited to be bringing you match commentary. And alongside me, my broadcasting partner, Stuart Robson. And it's second time around in the group stage for these two teams. It's Brazil, and they take on Serbia.
Well, thanks, Derek. These fans will be hoping for another good display today. They played really well in that opener. This should be an excellent game.
Rafinha. Danilo. Now, who can he play it to? It's Neymar! And a goal! They start as they mean to continue. They make the opening statement.
Well, here's the replay. Watch how he goes past his man with such ease, and it's just a change of pace. And then it's a wonderful strike from Neymar. He hits it with power, he hits it with pace, and he hits it with accuracy. What a goal that is.
So the ball rolling again with the scoreline standing at 1-0. Possession and patience, the watchwords. And just like that, they don't have the ball anymore. Well, very effective play in possession. Gabriel Jesus! And that, a piece of goalkeeping you're going to see again and again and again. And taken short. Can he take advantage? Oh, crucial tackle. Brilliant. And Brazil with control of the ball again. Casemiro. Well, hit with power, but shame about the placement. Milinkovic-Savic. Andrija Zivkovic. Really getting stuck in. Oh, that's a fine pass. Will he find the net? And a goal! They've increased their lead, and they don't want to be throwing it away from here.
Well, as you can see, it was a fairly simple finish in the end, but you still have to be in the right place, keep your composure and finish it off, and that's exactly what he did.
We're back underway with the lead standing at 2-0. That's useful play. Well, not the best clearance. And problem solved for now. Milinkovic-Savic. Gudel. Vlahovic. Can he make it count? Well, it might still work out for them. Jesus. Gabriel Jesus. Casemiro. And still a chance. Well, the referee not too happy with the challenge and blows for a free kick. Vlahovic. Dusan Tadic. Possession one. Gudel. Kostic. Nemanja Gudel. Milinkovic-Savic. Well, he's given it away. So 2 minutes of stoppage time to be added on. Opportunity it is. That's a great stop.
Well, his reflexes are so good there. That's a fantastic stop.
First half here comes to an end. Well, they've got things going again here, and I wonder what kind of second half we have in store for us. Milinkovic-Savic. And no worries for the goalkeeper. Vinicius Junior. Jesus. Gabriel Jesus. He's in behind. Well, that's a foul, and it sets up a free kick in a dangerous position. Well, the referee has decided to book him.
Well, it's not a good challenge, and quite rightly, he gets a yellow card for that.
Neymar. What a lovely strike!
can see, that's a great bit of skill. He times this so sweetly. What a good goal that is.
And the ball is rolling again. Brazil really starting to accelerate away here. And a good tackle. Over the top. Oh, in with a chance. Surely. Another goal! The lead grows to 4 now. A rampant display.
Well, as you can see, he gave the keeper no chance there. He looked so confident, didn't he? That's a cool finish.
A lopsided contest, 4-0. Alexander Mitrovic. And the challenge halts them in their tracks. Dusan Tadic. Milinkovic-Savic. Rafinha. Gabriel Jesus. And in with a real chance. Big chance it is. Oh, tremendous goal! Technical excellence to finish that one off. Wonderful to have that in your repertoire.
Well, here it is again, and that's the perfect volley, isn't it? He strikes it so well. What an excellent finish.
And time for the change now.
Goal for the hosts.
The ball rolling again in what has been an utterly one-sided match. Gudel. Kostic. Leauge. And support available. Wonderful challenge. And a throw-in coming up. But a crucial intervention inside the box. And he's through here. Well, the challenge was clean, but the danger not cleared. And it's a double for him in this game. No way for the opposition to contain him. And no wonder he's off celebrating.
Well, I won't get tired of watching this. It's an outstanding bit of play. Just look how far he runs with the ball. That's a great goal.
And they're making a change. It's a massive lead, and it's very hard to imagine them losing it now. So a corner kick it'll be, following the deflection. Well, desperately close to going in that time. Rafinha. Fabinho.
The referee has
Oh, wait, don't go anywhere. We're going to have 5 additional minutes. Fabinho. Can he finish this? A goal! We're really being spoiled. This is attacking football at its finest.
Well, here's the replay, and just look at that power. That's almost unstoppable. That's a great strike.
Goal for the hosts.
Leauge.
Number 8.
Dusan Tadic. And the referee blows for full time. Most acceptable for all Brazilian fans. A victory here, Stuart.
You're absolutely right there. Their attacking play was excellent, full of energy.